So second T20I versus South Africa and a comprehensive victory by South Africa over us. 51 runs का इस बार उन्होंने हमें लिफाफा भेजा है. समीर कैसा रहा second T20?
First of all, Indian cricket belongs to all Indian cricket fans, not just the head coach. तो जो इंडियन हेड कोच ने स्टेटमेंट दिया that people should stay in their domain, no, that doesn't work like that. इंडियन क्रिकेट सबका है. इंडिया में क्रिकेट इज अ रिलीजन, सो ये सब तुम बकवास नहीं कर सकते. अगर किसी को डोमेन में रहना चाहिए तो वो बॉलर्स को बैट्समैन ना बनाओ.
डोमेन चेंज ना करो.
डोमेन चेंज ना करो उसमें. ये जो हेड कोच का एरोगेंस है, दैट ये ले डूबेगा इंडियन क्रिकेट को. ये this Gambhir era reminds me of Greg Chappell. I have said it before, but this needs to change soon.
Yeah, I think घंटियां बज रही है already. Alarm bells are there. You know जो SOS code होता है, we need an SOC code where we need to save our cricket code. थोड़ा भेजना पड़ेगा because it was horrible to see. Just like I think needless experimentation. अक्षर पटेल को number 3 पे भेजना made no sense. What do you think?
Yeah, it was absolute nonsense. पहले मुझे लगा कि maybe they were trying for left-right combination, but then I saw that no, दोनों लेफ्टी बैट्समैन खड़े थे. और अक्षर पटेल की गलती है कि अक्षर पटेल has provided that cushion to Indian batting lineup at times, and that's why उसके ऊपर rely कर रहे हैं. But you need to have a good number 1, number 2, and number 3.
Yeah. Akshar Patel needs to stop presenting the fact that, you know what, there is a Sunil Narayan somewhere in the squad, which our coach will find. But मुझे लगता नहीं इससे पहले कभी वो नंबर 3 में खेला था, and the struggle was like pretty evident.
अगर अक्षर पटेल को प्रमोट कर तो ओपनर बना दो.
और आइडिया में बनते हैं भाई हमारे कोच.
but yeah, totally honestly, this was totally achievable target of 214 in modern T20 cricket, especially in India, and we fell short of 51 runs. ऐसा नहीं है कि it was a close game.
Yeah.
And post match presentation में Surya Kumar Yadav, captain, himself agreed to the fact that captain and vice captain need to step up.
Yeah.
And that is what it is. ये lineup में top batters है हमारे, और they are underperforming for a while now.
Yeah.
That needs to change.
It's been a horrid year for both of them, international T20s में. Despite having like a bumper IPL season for both of them, we haven't seen performances for them. And Sky का मुझे लगता है कि it is a little bit of captaincy pressure. You know, जब से वो captain बना है थोड़ा average तो कम हुआ ही है. But what do you have to say about our vice captain, Mr. Gill?
Yeah, I mean, it is high time. एक मीम देखा कि अगर ये गिल की जगह पे शुभमन सैमसन होता तो अभी तक टीम से नहीं इंडिया से बाहर निकला जाता. So मतलब he has again he is not short of talent, but it is high time now we look at other options, and we have other options.
Absolutely.
We have options that have been working fine.
Yep.
There is Samson, proper opening batsman. Jaiswal, again proper opening batsman and better strike rate than Gill. So I don't know, and they are both promising. Talent की कमी उधर भी नहीं है.
The only call we'll need to take is like कितने और matches देने हैं, and when is the right time to make that switch, because we don't have that many matches before the World Cup starts. So yeah,
exactly. This game, I hope this game provides a reality check for Indian team. Indian team T20 में they have been doing great actually, but this was one off failure, and hopefully they'll do some reality check on this.
Yeah, one silver lining was Tilak Verma played really well. I think उसको end में थोड़ी strike नहीं मिली, but उसके पहले तो he was like going all guns blazing because there were no other options left. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तिलक वर्मा and Shubman Gill थोड़े से same profile के players, so I don't even know whether we need to like play both of them together. Both of them love to kind of be that anchor, but yeah.
Especially जो momentum shift दिखाई दिया 2024 World Cup में, India started to attack right from the word go.
Yeah.
From the batting perspective. So if we have both Tilak Verma and Shubman Gill in the same team, they are players who will take some time, and especially this is evident when one of them is underperforming.
Yes, absolutely.
हाँ, अगर सब फॉर्म में है तो there is no problem, but ये गलतियां दिखती है जब ऐसा out of form में कोई.
And again, it was like working, like the template was set के ऊपर से Samson और Sharma used to provide that start, and Tilak Verma at number 3. थोड़ा सा टाइम लेके बाद में he was like really excelling, and then नीचे उसके बाद Surya Kumar and Hardik used to provide the fireworks as well. So yeah.
And I hope one more thing is I hope Shivam Dube starts firing as a batsman. He again is a talented batsman, but थोड़ा under the radar जा रहा है वो. So hopefully he comes good soon.
Yeah. Definitely. And hope it's like a one-off night for both Bumrah and Arshdeep. थोड़ी bowling भी हमारी खराब हुई.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not too concerned about the bowling because ऐसा होगा. ये bowling, it is very rare that Arshdeep and Bumrah both go for runs on the same day, but it is likely to happen. One of 5 में से 2 मैच में ऐसा हो सकता है
Yeah.
कि 200 के ऊपर रन बने, especially flat tracks में.
Yeah.
So I'm not too concerned, and hopefully they come back stronger.
Yeah, 214 was, like you said, a target that was achievable. Hopefully we get our fight back, and we'll look forward for the third T20. Cheers.
Yes.